Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Croatian drone maker Orqa launches unmanned aerial systems production venture in the United States. Orqa and by Light Professional IT Services have launched Orqa US LLC, a new US-owned company established to produce fully American-made unmanned aerial systems for military and government customers. The company said it aims to deliver Blue UAS-compliant drone systems at scale through a fully onshore U.S. industrial base. Orqa US is headquartered in Oakland, California, while production operations will be based at by Light's 180,000 square foot defense manufacturing facility in Port Orange, Florida. The company said full-rate production capability is expected by October 2026. According to the announcement, Orqa US will comply with National Defense Authorization Act and American Security Drone Act requirements. The company also stated that it is committed to full US onshoring of production activities. Charles Phillips, Chief Executive Officer of Orqa US, said the company's technology had already been tested in demanding operational conditions. For the past decade, Orqa has been building and refining UAS technology in the most demanding operational environments on Earth. Our systems have been tested and validated under real combat conditions, Phillips said. That experience has generated extraordinary demand from U.S. defense customers who want the same proven capability, he added. The founding of Orqa US is our answer to that demand, a fully American entity, built on American soil, creating jobs for American citizens, delivering world-class UAS systems without compromise on security, compliance, or performance. The company said the new venture was created to support emerging U.S. Department of War programs and contracting pathways focused on rapidly fielding low-cost aerial robotic systems. These initiatives include the Department of War's Drone Dominance Program. Orqa US said its board of directors is composed solely of U.S. citizens. The company also plans to use by Light's expertise to operate a cybersecurity maturity model certification-compliant information technology infrastructure. Production activities will be centered at by Light's Port Orange facility, which includes drone assembly and integration lines, advanced manufacturing equipment, CNC machining and composites fabrication capabilities. The facility also contains certified testing and quality control processes. According to the companies, the site operates as a designated port of entry with on-site customs capabilities. Orqa US said this structure is intended to support rapid delivery in response to operational requirements. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.